It's now time for the sponsor perspective of our program. Jennifer Gladstone is joined by Paige Magnus, Senior Vice President of Regulatory Affairs at Altria.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Gladstone, and welcome to our discussion on business transformation. Today, we've been hearing about America's best big ideas through the lens of American reinvention. And now we will look at how one of the world's largest tobacco companies is moving beyond smoking. As more and more U.S. adult smokers seek an alternative to cigarettes, there's an opportunity for companies like Altria to make major strides in how they do business. Altria sees business transformation as an opportunity to drive its business forward through technological innovation and to invest in people company-wide who are the catalysts of change. Joining us to discuss this topic is Paige Magnus, Senior Vice President of Regulatory Affairs for Altria Client Services. Hi, Paige, welcome.
Thank you for having me.
All right, let's jump right into things. What does business transformation mean at Altria, and how does that translate to building innovation capabilities?
You know, the tobacco industry is changing, and for the better. The future of our industry really is about innovation, harm reduction, and informed consumer choice. So at Altria, we're focusing our tremendous resources and our very talented people on reducing the risk of tobacco products while expanding choices for adult consumers. And that's really important because today over 20 million U.S. adult smokers are seeking less harmful alternatives to cigarettes. So it's a pivotal moment with adult smoker demand for non-combustible alternatives, innovation, and an appropriate regulatory framework. We really have an opportunity to transform Altria and our industry. And so our vision is to responsibly lead the transition of adult smokers to a smoke-free future. We're moving beyond smoking. And of course, for those adult tobacco consumers who want to quit, we offer access to a breadth of information from experts on how to do so successfully.
What support is needed to make tobacco harm reduction a success?
Several things, I think. First, collaboration. You know, successful harm reduction will require the involvement of many stakeholders, and that's why leaning into engagement and partnership is critical for us. Our scientists, for example, share their findings openly in dialogue with others across the scientific and public health communities about the science behind harm reduction. Second, we need better information. You know, research shows that we need to help correct misperceptions about nicotine and the relative risks of different products to encourage adult smoker transition to smoke-free products. Third, continued innovation. You know, I'm really proud of the groundwork that we're laying in using science to develop a pipeline of smoke-free products that we believe can successfully transition adult smokers and achieve FDA authorization. We're listening to our consumers to better understand and empathize with their journey and the motivators and the barriers that they face. And finally, remaining vigilant that harm reduction must be an off-ramp for adult smokers and not an on-ramp for underage tobacco use.
Can you talk about emerging technologies and what will be the impact on your industry and Altria?
You know, technology and innovation is the way forward for harm reduction. So we're investing in science to arrive at the right insights, to guide product development, and to generate the data necessary to demonstrate the risk reduction potential of these products. Our scientists, our engineers, product developers, and consumer researchers are all working together to create unique intellectual property and a robust pipeline of innovative smoke-free products. And we're combining our deep knowledge of adult smokers with our data analytics and our consumer behavioral understanding to better get at what would motivate and ultimately support the transition of a smoker to a smoke-free product.
How is Altria leadership driving transformation, and how are employees making transformation a reality?
Disruption is really a catalyst for change, and we're leaning into that change. Our culture has evolved very rapidly to be one of trust and empowerment, initiative, and constant learning. And there's just really a tremendous energy here behind the opportunity to transform our company and to lead our industry. So that energy fuels ideas and really a desire to work differently.
Well, Paige, thank you so much. We really appreciate your insights.
Thank you.